Here's how I use Previer at offline events and roadshow to instantly connect with leads on WhatsApp, send and track my brochures, and follow up over the coming weeks to turn interest into actual sales. Whenever I meet someone at the event, I just open Previer app to Capture tab, enter their name and phone number, and click Send. This instantly opens a WhatsApp chat with an auto-personalized message without having to type, copy and paste, or save to my phone book. It also adds the leads to my client list, automatically set a follow-up reminder, and even let me send personalized brochures that track if they view it. It's super fast and easy to do right from my phone. Let me show you exactly how to set it up step by step. Let's start with connecting with someone you met in person. In the Previer app, the Capture tab is the best place to quickly add a new lead and message them right away. To make it even faster, I like to set this as my default home screen. Just go to Account tab, Settings, Personalization. Scroll down, you will see Default Home Screen, and select Capture. Now every time you open the app, it immediately shows the Capture tab. And then tap on Met Someone New. Enter the lead's name and phone number. You can customize the default message at the bottom, and it will save automatically. So next time, you can just tap Send WhatsApp without editing the message. That's how you WhatsApp a lead in just a few taps while you're still face-to-face with them. When you go back to Previer, you will see that it automatically set a follow-up reminder for a few days later and let you add notes about the lead. You can also create and update custom fields to save more information about your leads. Once you've connected on WhatsApp, the next step is sharing your sales materials like a product brochure or service catalog. You can upload any PDF file or even create a page in Previer from your photos, videos, and other types of content. Check out our other videos linked in the description for how to create files and pages. The easiest way is to open a PDF file in any app and forward it straight into Previer. For example, just open a file in WhatsApp, then tap Share to send it directly to Previer. Here you only need to tap Save, and that's it. The file is in your Previer app. You can also set the default message for it. So every time you share it from Previer, the file comes with this auto-personalized message in WhatsApp. Now, anytime you view a lead in Previer, just tap Quick Response, select your brochure, and send it via WhatsApp. Previer will send you an alert every time they view it, and you can track how many times they view it and even how long they spend looking at it. If you meet an interested lead at an event, you don't just want to message them once or share a brochure. You want to make sure you follow up a few days later once they had time to think about your offer. By default, Previer automatically reminds you to follow up 3 days after you contact a lead. But you can change this in your settings. Just go to Account tab, Settings, Follow Up, Default Follow-up date, and choose 1 day later, 1 week later, or customize whatever works for you. This will be used for all future leads that you contact. If you want to change it just for a specific lead, you can go to their profile and tap Follow Up to update it individually. To make sending your follow-up fast and easy, you can create a message template. Go to your Content tab, Messages, Add New Message. Name the message template, for example, Marina Bay Roadshow 3-day follow-up. Add the message template. Hi, just following up after the Marina Bay Roadshow. If you have any questions about the ACME residence, just let me know. I'll be happy to assist you in any way. Now that your follow-up script is ready, whenever Previer reminds you it's time to follow up a lead, just open their profile, tap Quick Response, choose your saved follow-up message, and hit Send. That's it. You can even create multiple follow-ups, one for a week later, one for a month later, and use them anytime. So those are the 3 steps: sending the first WhatsApp message, sharing and tracking sales brochure, and following up after a few days. Once you set it up, you'll be ready to connect, track, and follow up with every lead within seconds. Previer gives you everything you need to manage your lead at event in real time and stay on top of your follow-ups without any stress. Try this workflow at your next event and turn your leads into happy, loyal clients.